Hey YouTube, Spider G back here. I'm just at the end part of freehand sharpening this mini 940 or the 9 this 940 and S30V. I was looking at the edge here. On the other side, it's coming out pretty good. Got did the 600. I matched my existing bevel. Created a good burr all the way down the hilts on the 600. Now this is my, I did one pass, two pass. This is my third pass now, fatiguing that burr. I am now switching over to the other side and gonna do a forward to knock that burr on the other side. And then I'm gonna get back. I'm gonna try to see if I can record the rest of this and not take forever. Because I right now I've been getting really good edges, and I believe my 2200 grit should be here today or tomorrow. But this is what I'm ending on, and then I'm gonna go just knock the burr off the apex, and then I'm going to use my strops. But the angle's consistent. As oh there, the feedback on these are, when I actually have the bevel going, it's, I can really feel it now. Like it's locked in that channel. Nice flat bevel. I'm not putting too much pressure, none really, just enough to even out the scratch patterns, refine, and just continue to. Let's see how that's looking on that side. Alright, so I still got, so it's even. Get these scratch patterns, lift a little higher, get this hilt. There we go. How are we looking? Pretty good. Yeah. So I do this a couple more times. Just even out everything, especially that tip. Looks good. Alright. Barely left. Feedback is good. Locked in that bevel. Let's get the hilt. Let's take a look at this. How we doing on this side? Looking good. It's even. Get that hilt tip's looking good. Let me just even out the hilt here at the very back. Let's blend in. Here we go. I'm going to do this too much longer because it's just a hardcore hone. It had a decent edge on it. I just know it wasn't like as good as I could get it now. So I just used the 600. Did as many strokes till I can get a burr on both sides. Apexed. And now I need to stop on this side. Take a look at my progress. Looks good. It's flat, even all the way to the end. Can't tell if that's just the light or me. Let me see. You know what? I'm really picky, and like when I start to get these edges, I'm excited. So I want all the way down at the hilt to be good too. Not just be good at like, you know, up to like there and then leave that hanging. I think looking good. Nice straight bevel. Just clean it up a little more. Blend the rest in. Alright. Looking good. Birds on that side. Pretty much nothing left. So I'm just going to run it on this side without doing that pass. Maybe that'll knock it off. It's just barely hanging on, so I wouldn't imagine I get micro tear outs. Alright. That looks good. Don't really need to do much more. I'll just, at this point, I kind of just go a couple strokes on each side without doing a forward pass. Very, very little pressure. At this point, I'm just flip-flopping that burr to when I run it down my ceramic rod, down that apex. That should be burr free, and then really strop it up. Okay. So this side's still looking good. Alright, so I'll go ahead and end that right there. Yeah, maybe I don't have to do that ceramic. Let's see. Alright, let's not risk. Let's go to the 3. Keep angle low. Let me try. I think there's a remaining burr or something. Using the one with nothing on it right now. Alright. Alright. So, I think it will run it down. There we go. It just took. There we go. Yeah. Take that burr off the apex. Run it down that spine or the apex. Get the burr off the apex. Now let's go into town on stropping so I can bring everything to a very good apex point and have a good edge on this 945, I believe it is. S30V. I like sharpening S30V and S35 again. It just seemed to cooperate. A lot of other steels too. But I'm starting to feel like each steel that I do, and like how I can feel how it's heated or if it's soft. If the 600's taking off a ton of material or something. If it's, I don't know. I'm starting to, because I have all assortment of knives from different blade shapes blade steels to what have you. So I got a plethora. I don't have like Rex 45 or those high ones, but there's just want to do a quick little run on this 3 and then go back over. I wanted to do that after I did the ceramic on it. All right. Okay. So far it's looking good. It's right up with a 1. And then, I could really see much of a difference from the 0.5, but it's a pretty good edge. Nice and even. All the way down. Freehand skills are getting good. Alright, let's take it to the 0.5. Just to clean it up. Make it look good. Lean it way back. This old strop has really good leather on it. That's what I like to use. I put the 0.5 on this one because it's like stiff, but also like suede. So it's kind of like has both the worlds of having a hardened strop or that suede, and then if you push too hard you can roll, but just lean it back and just follow your angle, because now you're just sort of polishing your edge, and you don't want to wipe away those teeth by putting too much pressure. So, that's not going with. So I think we can go ahead and call this one done. Alright, smooth with teeth. See what we got here. Ooh, yes. This is not bad, not bad. Just excited that like I could just jump right on the stone, pick my angle, or follow the same one, and then we get really good edges out of it until that 2200 comes in. I have to end on the 12, which is fine, but I want to get hair whittling. I mean, this will cut paper, but I don't know if it'll whittle hair. Oh, I guess it is popping right off. It's kind of right there. Alright. That's cool. So, that was just I did the 600 Atoma. Went to the 1200 honeycomb there. Just went back and forth. Fatigued that burr pretty good. Then I took the apex and ran it down my ceramic very lightly to get the apex off of this particular part, the burr off the apex, and then just dropped with the one with nothing on it, and then 3, and then 1, and then 0.5 stoppy stop, and it came out great. Edge is good. Getting better. So I'm going to do my other one here shortly. Doing the stone wash. This black one. It's good to go. Yeah. So again, let's check out this edge. All the way down. Looks even. Looks a lot better than my fixed angles, because you know, the ceramic on it tries to polish it and then doesn't really get it all the way out. So that's why I want that high grit, so everything would be uniform and look like that, and then it'll be just mirror without facets. But yeah, it's not a bad edge. Okay, this video is already too long as it is, but that was the sharpening of the Benchmade 945, I believe, and S30V. Came out pretty good. And in any case, found this interesting, give me please give me a like, sub, comment. That'd be great. Be safe, have fun. I'll catch y'all in the very next one. Alright, peace out.